Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Strini from Kindera, and today I brought words that are habitats. Habitats are the different places where different animals live, eat, and grow. Different types of animals needs different places where they can eat and grow. So, we're going to learn about that today. Before presenting the vocabulary words, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Animals' Homes, and it is now circled in yellow. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. Remember, we always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in yellow. Okay? Okay. Animals' homes. On dry and hot deserts, there's so much to see. Also in the ocean, where animals may be. On bright sunny grasslands, or in a dark cave. In jungles and forests, where all must be brave. On ice in the Arctic, or hold underground, there are so many places where animals are found. Okay, so now that we have read the poem, we're going to learn the vocabulary words. I'm going to introduce the words but saying once, and then I am going to count to three like this. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to say the word with me. Okay? Let's go. Desert. 1, 2, 3. Desert. Ocean. 1, 2, 3. Ocean. Grasslands. 1, 2, 3. Grasslands. Jungle. 1, 2, 3. Jungle. Forest. 1, 2, 3. Forest. Arctic. 1, 2, 3. Arctic. So now that you know the different habitats where animals live, we're going to read the poem one more time. Animals' homes. On dry and hot deserts, there's so much to see. Also in the ocean, where animals may be. On bright sunny grasslands, or in a dark cave. In jungles and forests, where all must be brave. On ice in the Arctic, or hold underground, there's so many places where animals are found. Okay, and now I have an activity for you. Here I have different types of animals that live in different types of habitats, but I need you to help me which habitat is suitable for each type of animals. Okay, so first there's a camel and a snake. Where do camels live? They live in the desert. Very good. So we're going to say desert at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Desert. Very good. Camels live in deserts and they don't need that much water. They drink a lot of water once and then they don't need more. So that is why they can live in this dry place. So the next group of animals is a monkey and a crocodile. Where do these animals live? They live in the jungle. Very good. So we're going to say jungle at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jungle. Very good. Thank you so much. And then there's a polar bear and a penguin. Very good. A polar bear and a penguin. Where do these animals live? In the Arctic. Very good. Where there's a lot of ice and it is cold. That is why they are very hairy, right? So we're going to say Arctic at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Arctic. Very good. Thank you so much. And next there's a dolphin and an octopus. Where do these animals live? In the ocean. Very good. So we're going to say ocean at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ocean. Very good. Thank you so much. And then there's a lion and a zebra. Where do these animals live? In the grasslands. Very good. So we're going to say grasslands at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Grasslands. Excellent. Very good. And last but not least, there's a wolf and a deer. Where do these animals live? In the forest. Very good. So we're going to say forest at the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Forest. Excellent. Very good. And now I need you to help me write the different habitats. So first, the desert. It is desert. D, E, S, E, R, T. Desert. Very good. Then the jungle. Let's see. Jungle. J, A, N, G, L. Jungle. Very good. And next, the Arctic. Arctic. A, R, K, T, I, K. Arctic. Very good. And next, the ocean. Ocean. O, K, E, A, N. Ocean. Very good. Excellent. And next, the grasslands. G, R, A, S, S, L, A, N, D, S. Grasslands. And finally, the forest. Forest. F, O, R, E, S, T. Forest. Very good. Thank you so much for helping me. A big kiss for everybody. Bye bye.